How do you see the currency risk in this product, Neil? Because one is always a little bit confused about where the rupee is headed, because for a good part after post-COVID, there was, in the first 3 years, people thought that, the trajectory will completely change. And instead of a depreciating currency over a period of time, not only will our fall be less, but we might start to appreciate. It's been anything but. In the last 1 year, it's, what has happened is instructive. All other currencies against the dollar have gained, except for the Chinese currency and the Indian rupee. How do you see the currency risks, and what is the messaging to investors around this?
Sure, there's currency risk is going to be there. I mean, there's nothing anyone can do about it, and definitely not us. So for us as fund managers, as asset managers, main thing is to select stocks and invest the money properly. So currency risk will be there, but the main thing, like I said, was it's about the diversification. It's actually reducing the risk. So currency risk, though, might be there, but on your overall portfolio, when you're investing in different markets, you're actually reducing your portfolio risk. So that's what we are talking about, and yeah, currency risk is going to remain, and nothing me or you can kind of do anything about it, so just live with it, I guess.
Is that your message? Live with it?
So two things, Mahalakshmi. First is, when you invest globally, actually currency risk is actually in your favor.
Right now it's in our favor.
So if you feel that the rupee will depreciate, then global investing, you're already plus 2-3% to start with.
Yeah.
So you need not worry. So global investing will not only make sense because you start with an advantage there, but look at the last 10-15 years. India has been one of the best performing markets in local currency, but in dollar terms, Indian market has just generated about 8-9% returns, while the S&P 500 has delivered about 13-14%, Taiwan market about 12-13% in dollar terms. So there are enough markets which in dollar terms are able to do much better than India. And if you look at some of the themes in India, and I want to give references to maybe 3 or 4 themes that we are very bullish as a fund house, and we don't have investment space, is artificial intelligence, semiconductor, blockchain, and disruptive materials. If you were to look at these 4 themes, in India, you don't have maybe 5 listed companies in this space, in these 4 themes. So forget the currency part. If you want to have a universe of stocks which can give you exposure to such large themes, which can become very large in 5-10 years, it completely makes sense to invest globally and reduce your currency risk.